The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for TLT, and we're seeing a nice move up from the 99 level to the 105 in just a short amount of time. So is the downtrend over and we're going to see higher prices, or is this just a pullback and we're going to see another leg down? Let's go over the chart to see what the market is trying to do. Well, it looks like it made this low point and then a higher low, and this could be a possible higher low too. So if I connect the swings, it could be the market forming some type of channel. So if it's forming some type of channel, then there's a long way for it to move higher. So we did see that strong move down, and we're going back up the same pace. So that's not a good sign that we went through the EMA and now we just shot right through it like it wasn't even there. So that's not a good sign for the shorts. You want to see it looking weak and staying below the EMA, not break it and then break it again. So this looks pretty bad. I would say the line in the sand for continuing lower is right over here at the 106 level. This is retesting this congestion level. So if we retest this, there is a good chance we could get another leg down, maybe something like this. But if we break it with conviction, then the market is not going to make that second leg down. It's probably just going to make another leg higher. So the target would be right at the 117 level. So if the market is trying to make another leg higher, then that's the target, and probably even retest these highs right here. So those are my two targets if we don't turn around fairly soon, right here at the 106 level. So if I do a fib retracement from the highs right here to this pullback or to this down portion, then the 618 is pretty much very close to that 106 107 level like I mentioned. So I'd say the market pulls back that much, that's okay. That's not worrying at all for the shorts. But if we just blast right through it, then it looks like it wants to come up to these highs and probably even make a measure move target. So that's what it looks like it's trying to do on the chart. I don't like how we shot through the EMA, then we broke right through it like it didn't even exist. And also, if I contain this uptrend in a channel, we didn't see a new high made yet after the first break. So there's a good chance we also do that too. So right now, I'm seeing at least 3-4 bullish signs why we should go higher, and only maybe a couple bearish signs as of right now why we should go lower. So right now, I think the bulls might be in control in the short term. So right now, I say the 106 107 level needs to hold, and we need to see some rejection, good amount of rejection and continuation for me to be looking for this gap fill and the new low to be made. Now if we don't, obviously we're going to be continuing higher. So that's what it looks like TLT is trying to do, looking pretty strong. All of a sudden it found some type of support at this 99 level. I don't see any support in the past, but if I do a fib retracement, maybe that can give us some answers. Well, it came very close to the 618, and it looks like we're going higher. So right now it looks kind of bullish for TLT. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for TLT, and you can see that we had a big gap up in the previous week. Prices closed at the 99.54, opened at the 102.32, and then we traded down trying to fill in the gap, failed. So that shows a lot of strength, and looking like it's coming for this gap fill right here at the 107 level. So I believe if that doesn't turn around prices, then we're probably going to be taking out this high right here, and maybe make the measure move target at the 116 117 level, which is right at the beginning of this entire move down since August. So that's what it looks like TLT could be doing. And also that level is pretty important, because if I put a horizontal line there, something like this, you can see it was acting as a strong support in the past. Support here, support here, support here. We did see the failed breakout occur. You move the line up. So, and then it was led to that massive rally. We came back down to that level, broke it, found resistance right here, sold off strongly. Now we could be coming back in the form of two legs test it before we see continuation. So basically, this could be drawn out further, this entire bear market. So it could be a while before we see some continuation to the downside. So it looks like it's just being drawn out, and we'll have to wait and see if this is the bottom or not. I say if we break above this 117 level, something like this, and we continue higher, there's a very high certainty that this was the bottom. Now we still have a lot of resistance we got to work through, and this still could just be a pullback. But if we get up that high and we break it, there's a good chance that this is the bottom for some reason. So there is some type of support right over here, but we didn't come near it. But again, the market isn't perfect. It was close enough. So we'll have to wait and see what TLT wants to do. But as right now in the short term, I'm looking for the 107 level to give us some idea, some definite certain ideas on where the price is trying to head to. So I'll be looking out for maybe a pop-up next week, and then if it fails, then where we're going lower. But if we see continuation to the upside, then there's a couple levels that I'm looking for TLT to hit. So that's all I have for this week, Saturday. I'll see you guys next Saturday for an update. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.